Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're back tonight again at Mobile Weld Specialist. We got Ed and O working hard on the EK. So last night where we left off, we got the main hoop bent up, but it's longer than it's supposed to be. So today they're gonna try to trim it up and get it tacked in place. And let's do a quick run through of the car. There's all right there. Ed's there. He's busy working away on the car. So like last night, O was designing those CAD files, and here you see the pieces that were cut. They're actually going to revise this and cut another piece. It's a little bit short, but as you can see, that saves a lot of time, and it's gonna look real good. So right now they're just trying to fit the cage to where it's supposed to be, get a good measurement, so they know where to trim. And so the goal for tonight is getting that tacked in, possibly the A-pillar bar and stuff like that. So we'll see where it goes. Stick around, guys.
one pair of pants later.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we are back at Mobile Weld Specialist, and we're just checking up on the car. So let's check her out and see what we got. So O and Ed have been busy hacking away on this. As you can see, the door panels came in and just in time. It's important to have those door panels in so that way we know how much space we have for the door bars. As you can see, the A-pillar bars are up. We got rear gussets, the front gusset, and the roof bar is in. So, some noise in the background right now. So, as you can see, the front pillar bars aren't welded in yet, and the reason for that is to be able to weld the top of the cage, we got to drop the cage down. So I got to slide it forward and down, weld it up, put it back where it's supposed to go, and then weld from there. So there's just a tack right here on the box for the main hoop. And right now O is working on, what are you working on? Oh, he's working on these rear plates. So these are the new rear plates that were cut up. The version 2.0. 1.0 was cut a little bit short, so now you can see we got a pretty nice tight fit. Certain areas will be able to fill with just basically with a weld, and they're gonna bend another plate for the essentially the wall to complete the box. So right now O's just measuring up the rear diagonal that's gonna mount up to that plate. Whoops. And yeah, it's front half is almost done. And then they're gonna be working on the back half, which should be relatively quick. It's just a bunch of straight bars, no special bends. Just can't mess up on the notches. And yeah, it's coming together pretty quick. They've been getting busy over here. And we're gonna leave that the original dash bar in. Obviously it's all rusted up. We're gonna paint that over. And the reason behind why I'm leaving that in is essentially the factory dash is gonna go back in. So to make it easier, oh, and also, you know, the glove box, the air conditioning and radio and all that, it just makes more sense to keep that in. All right, guys, so yes, stay tuned.